basket. Do you like my sword, 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 my diamond sword, sword? You cannot afford, fold my diamond sword, sword. Even if you could, I have a patent. No one else can make a sword exactly in this manner, manner. Welcome to my manner, manner. I kinda swing, swing, swing my sword, sword. Whenever I get bored, bored, I can swing my sword, sword. I can swing my sword, sword. Once I hit the floorboards, but I had it restored, and it was expensive, but it was a write-off. Swinging is my business, and by that I mean swinging swords. Please do not ignore. Do you like my sword? That was rhetorical. You know I am the oracle. I know you like my sword. It's made of freaking diamonds. If you don't, you're lying, but that would be fine, because it is awesome, and you're probably jealous. I can swing my sword, sword, cause I am the Lord, Lord, Lord of Diamonds.
Shut up!
What?
Give it.
What?
Give me the sword.
No!
Give it.
No! It's mine!
No.
It's mine!
Nope. Nope.
Aw.
Shut up.
I'll see you in court.
All right.
Subscribe.
Okay, something tells me this is not a great idea, to be totally honest.
Look at little Tim Tim sleeping so soundly.
Wake up, Tim, and wake is a monster!
Sideburns on the side of my face as my head turns. You can see they're in the same place on either side. Burns, they can't be replaced. My insides burn when I think of the days before my sideburns. Look at my sideburns, but don't touch my sideburns. Why would you do that? My heart yearns for my own sideburns. My side actually burns now. What is that? What the hell, man? Why does my side burn? What the hell's going on? My side burns. Does anybody have some aloe vera? If you do, bring it backstage, I'll pay it back. 1985, from the womb I came out on my birthday. The doctor said, what you crying about? I said, is that a rhetorical question? You know why I cried. I have a serious lack of hair on the side of my head. Little baby people don't have sideburns, they gotta grow them when they're older. But if your little baby already has sideburns, that's awesome, don't be concerned. Don't be concerned about the little bitty baby with the big, big sideburns. You should not be concerned about the little bitty baby with the big, big sideburns. Your little baby gonna be a pimp. Your little baby gonna be a little baby pimp. You should probably discourage that kind of profession, because it's illegal and your baby's too young to be concerned about starting a business. But that's impressive if it's got the mindset. My sideburns, look at my sideburns, back on track, talking about sideburns. My sideburns, look at my sideburns, Lulu sideburns. Chicken nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potato nuggets, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Dip the mashed potatoes, gobble chicken nugget, biscuit in the barbecue sauce. Yum, yum, gimme a nugget,
potato. Bacon nugget in a biscuit nugget. Bacon nugget in a biscuit nugget. Bacon nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes.
Dip it all in mashed potatoes.
Dip the mashed potato covered chicken nugget biscuit in the bowl.